Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. Today's date is 22 March. Today's video topic name is tree map in Java. Java tree map contains value based on the key. This class is a member of Java collection framework. It implements the navigable map interface and the extend the abstract map class. A Java tree map contains only unique elements. Java tree map cannot have the null key, but it have multiple null values. Means it does not contains null key, but it contains the null values. Java tree map is a non-synchronized. It Java tree map maintains ascending order. Means element are stored in a tree map by sorted order. It does not allow duplicate elements. When we have to store the element in tree map, it does not allow to duplicate elements. It uses key and values for determining the unique value. How to declare a tree map class? So let's see. Public class tree map in angular bracket key comma value extend abstract map angular bracket key value implement navigable map key value comma clonable comma serializable. In this way we have to declare the tree map class. Tree map constructor are first tree map open close, second tree map in a bracket comparator and comp which is a object or reference variable. Third is a tree map in a bracket map m. Tree map also provides the method to perform some different or to perform the some specific operation. So it's also provide the some methods. So first is a ceiling key in a bracket key. This method return the list of key which is greater than the specified key or the null if there is a if there is a null key. Second is a void clone. It method returns the shallow copy of the tree map. Next is a void clear. This methods return all the key value pair from the tree map. Next is a set key set. This method return the collection of keys exist in the tree map. Next is a void put in a bracket key comma value. It insert the specified value with the specified key in the tree map. Next is a void replace in a bracket key comma value. This method replace the specified value of the specified key. Next is a boolean contains key in a bracket object key. This method returns true. This method returns true if a map contains mapping of the specified key. Next is a get in a bracket object key which is used to return the value which is a maps in a specified key. Next is a int size. This method return the number of keys and values pair exist in the tree map. Let's see the difference between hash map and tree map. Hash map contains one null key. Tree map does not contains any null key. Hash map does not preserve order. Tree map maintain the ascending order. Hash map is faster. Tree map is slower than the hash map. Hash map class uses the hash table. Tree map class internally use the red black tree which is same as the binary tree. Next it is use equals method to compare the keys. In a tree map it uses compare to method for comparing the keys. Next, it performs the some basic functions like get, put, key set, etc. In a tree map, it also performs some basic operation or functions like tail map, first key, last key, etc.